Hey everyone! Every gamer wants their recordings to look crispy clean, but let's be real, OBS settings can be super confusing. So today, I'll walk you through the exact OBS Studio settings you need to make your recordings look professional and smooth, even if you're just getting started. Let's jump right into it. Open OBS Studio. Head to the bottom right corner and click Settings. Skip the General, Appearance, and Stream tabs. We're going straight to the Output tab. Change output mode from Simple to Advanced. Now go to the Recording tab. Recording path. Choose where your files are saved. Tip: use a fast SSD, not a slow hard drive. Slow drives cause stutters. Recording format. Choose MKV. Why? If your PC crashes or power goes out, MKV saves your footage, unlike MP4, which gets corrupted. Back in the Output tab under Recording. Encoder, NVIDIA users. Choose NVENC 264. AMD users. Choose the AMD equivalent. No GPU? Use X264. But beware, it's CPU heavy and can cause lag. Audio encoder. Use FFmpeg. Scroll down to encoder settings. Rate control. Set to CQ/PCQ level. Use 17. Great balance of quality and performance. Lower equals better quality. Higher equals smaller file size. Keyframe interval, 2 or 0, both work. Preset P7 for high-end PCs, P5 for low-end, P6 if you're in between. Click the Audio tab at the top. Set all audio bit rates to 320 kilobits per second for the best quality. Hit Apply, then click OK to save. Now open Settings again and head to the Audio tab on the left. Set desktop audio to your main output, headphones or speakers. Set mic/auxiliary audio to your microphone, e.g. Rode PodMic USB. Hit Apply. Base canvas resolution. Match your monitor. Mine is 1920 by 1080. Output resolution. Match your recording resolution. 1080p is standard. If they don't match, set the downscale filter to Lanczos for best quality. FPS, set to 60 for smooth gameplay recording. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!